minor errors are in the sarees or cloth. If you wanted to exchange it, that option also available in Sudha Saree Store. Yes. So daily I posted saree images. If you like that sarees, just send that images to me and I will send that sarees. Only prepaid is available here. Then just give your rating also. If you are satisfied with Sudha Saree Store, just give your ratings. Yes, regularly I posted my saree store images into Facebook and WhatsApp also. Yes. Okay. Yes. Please just say hello. Hello. Yes. Hello. Yes. Say hello. Good morning சொல்லுங்க, வணக்கம் சொல்லுங்க. Hello. Yes. So daily evening online classes for free session for the students is available here in Kadambam channel. Kindly subscribe the channel, give your likes, give your support to us. Hello. Yes. 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 Hi, hello. சொல்லுங்க. Hello.